In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use custom fields in Asana. If you've ever felt like your tasks need a little more structure than just titles and due dates, custom fields are the perfect way to add the exact information your team needs. They help you track things like status, budget, priority, or any other detail that matters to your workflow. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can start organizing your work more effectively right away. First, open the Asana project where you want to add fields. Make sure you're in the correct project, since fields live at the project level and will appear on tasks within that specific space. Take a moment to confirm you have the necessary permissions to edit project settings, especially if you're collaborating with a team. Next, click Customize. You'll usually find this option near the top right of your project view. Customize is your control center for tailoring the project to your needs, and it's where you can manage layout, rules, and most importantly for today, fields. From the customization panel, go to Fields or Custom Fields. This section shows you all the fields currently available to your project. You can add fields that already exist in your workspace or create new ones specifically for this project. Here, you can choose an existing field or create a new custom field. Reusing existing fields is great for consistency across multiple projects, especially when you want uniform reporting. If you need something unique, creating a new field gives you full control over the name and how it behaves. When you set up or edit a field, select the field type that best matches the data you want to capture. Choose text for open comments or short notes, number for counts, budgets, or hours, drop down for standardized options like phases or departments, date for milestone style information separate from the task's due date, and priority when you want a clear, consistent way to rank work. Give the field a clear name and, if available, a helpful description so teammates know exactly how to use it. For dropdowns, define your options thoughtfully and keep them concise. Finally, save the field and use it to organize or track your tasks. Once saved, the field appears on your task list and details, making it easier to scan information at a glance. You can use these fields to make your project more searchable and to support better reporting. Encourage your team to update fields consistently and consider a brief naming convention so your data stays clean and useful over time.